Ow! 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 Woo! Hi. There's this person who means the world to me, and she has the weight of the world on her shoulders right now. I want to put a smile on her face, so I'm gonna build the robot of her dreams, a guinea pig cage cleaning robot for some messy, but adorable guinea pigs named Jack and Jeffrey, without the E. I have no idea how I'm gonna build this, but I think there's a treadmill involved. So I got a treadmill, which doesn't work as I just found out. I think to scrape the floor well, I need to roll it just like a treadmill. So I found this one and threw it in my car. Now here's what I'm thinking. We start with the normal rabbit cage, and we add the rollers and tracks off a treadmill, and then I'll build a crown around the edges so bedding and poop can't get into it. And we'll have a few cleaning stations, water, scrubbing, and squeegees, and a touchscreen. I want a touchscreen. And I want this packaged from the Oatie robot company. Oatie's my cat, and you'll see a lot of her in the video. And I want a bonus robot for her son. He's almost 8, he's amazing. So I'm gonna build a kit for him to build his own little robots. These are brush pods. Now we need a good set of instructions. Yes! Can I snap the whole guinea pig robot into existence? What? Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I haven't finished it yet, but I will. So let's go take apart that treadmill. All right, motor, maybe. Tread, looking good. You wanna help, Oatie? Throw this out. Come here. I need another treadmill. Second treadmill. It's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. Well, after a few days of trying, I couldn't repurpose the treadmill frame, so I'm off to a metal shop where I'm gonna get some aluminum, and I'll come back here and cut it and weld it. Almost right back. I have to pick up the camera. And I need argon gas. I'm going to a few places. All right, it's time to weld. Fumes. Quick update. I am on my 3rd frame right now, and it's proving to be a really hard challenge making a guinea pig cage cleaning robot. So I'm gonna split the 2 robots up. This robot kit for her son, I'm gonna send out by itself. And I don't wanna waste paper and plastics with everything, so we're gonna take all the objects. We're gonna take tracing paper, and we're gonna make a nice set of material so we can just drop everything into it. And hopefully it'll be packaged really nice for him. Also, he loves baseball, so here we go. This is the 3D printed part. It looks like a turtle that I have just finished. I'm a little embarrassed to say how long this has taken, but now I have tension and now it bounces. It's amazing. It has 4 tensioning rods. Is it overkill? Yes. Was it needed? Also yes, because I've never built anything like this. I need to give and take on all 4 points. So now we're going to take all that extra material out. So we have squeegees. And the squeegees are gonna sit at the end, since you can see this part, at the end right here. And this piece should snap on, and this should snap right in place. Ah, it snaps, it's like this. So I had to cannibalize an electric skateboard because this kept slipping, and no matter what, these timing belts didn't work. So now we're using these timing belts and they have teeth. And oh, that's just amazing. And let's watch everything's going off. Let's grab the squeegee, we'll take it all. Yes! Oh, this is great. I took some time off because this project's been so hard. And to see the bounce, the tensioning rods, the timing belt, so this works. I can just watch that. Oh, it makes me feel better. And now, the squeegees work. Oh, and they snap into place. They couldn't have done that better. These are the little details that only I will care about, but it's just great. Okay, so I talked with a robotics friend. So instead of having the squeegees separate from these scrubbing brushes, we're not using the scrubbing brushes at all. This is going to be a mess, and I can imagine a lot of stuff getting in there. This is version 1. This is version 1, and I've been through so many 3D parts that I've broken that you can see back here. These are some seriously powerful tensioning rods now. I've actually bent one of the screws. Then I'll put the touch screen, which will be our second touch screen. I've gone through so many parts. We're almost there. That leaves us with the misting station. And the water will come down, it'll mist, let everything get picked up, squeegeed off, and I'm gonna give this to her in about a week. So let's get everything put together. It has been a hard 4 days because I moved the robot and it slipped and everything crashed and shattered. About 5 weeks of work shattered. But there's good news. All of the remaining blue parts are now pink because that's the color I have. So I am reassembling the entire robot. I'm trying to send it to her in about 4 days. And I am printing everything. The water, the misting station, it worked perfect. It's adorable. Everything is pink now. Literally everything is pink and it's dripping a lot. And I've moved over. We're not on the monitors any longer. This is the touch screen. That's the code. And it really is a touch screen that's gonna go in. The housing for the touch screen is printing. We're gonna be soldering everything together. We have all the hardware making the motors run, and they're printing out so well. It's really kind of beautiful. So we're just gonna take care of all that and not worry that I've set back a little bit, because this is a fun project and I really hope it puts a smile on somebody's face. I will check in with you when I think we're just putting all the wires together and then it'll be complete. This is it. So it's a normal guinea pig cage when it's not being a guinea pig cage cleaning robot. When it's time to use it, you just take off all the elements. And this is the first real test. The water bottle for the guinea pigs, and you screw the water bottle, put the misting bar across the robot, lift the robot out just a little bit. Those are our squeegees that pop right in place. Pop them on, and here's the first test ever. Yes! And when I press mist, it's working! So the mist goes for 10 or 20 seconds, and this is awesome. Mist again. Yes! It works. And every time it reboots, the program comes up. So I'm finally going to be able to send it to her. I hope she really likes it. Thanks for watching.